Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I have been asked, can you put fresh with artificial or my beautiful permanent botanicals? I want you to know that yes you can. The other questions I've had is, would they enhance the fresh? Well yes they will. So if you, like me, have only got hydrangeas in your garden at the moment, pick them and stick them into a jug or a container with some water. Any flowers will do. I do like hydrangeas, and it's a little bit hot here today and they're just a little bit on the soft side, but I know that they will perk up in due course. I have 3 of our mauve roses here from Prestige Botanicals, and with those, all I'm going to do is put those in and amongst the hydrangeas. So already we've got this picture that's starting to come to life. I also have these beautiful, whoops, that's coming out there, I didn't want that, these beautiful big peonies. Now peonies and hydrangeas don't come at the same time, but you know what? That doesn't matter because we can enhance the whole picture just by putting those in there. I didn't even have to cut them. If they're falling and they're not quite in the right place, don't you worry about that, because you can manipulate these to suit whatever design you want to create. How's that? That's what I call clever designing. Little bit of my permanent botanicals with a little bit of what nature does. I love that. I hope that that has solved the question. See you again another day.